三藩市防範入室盜竊，日落區擴大免費監控門鈴項目。三藩市第四區市參事馬兆明星期二宣佈，擴大日落區免費監控門鈴項目，將撥款3.5萬為120個家庭免費提供監控門鈴同埋安裝服務。
I've worked with the Sunset District community and the police department to create 5 new community safety programs here in the Sunset District, but the most popular one by far has been the Ring video doorbell program that provides free video doorbell installations and also training and technical support for senior homeowners to better secure their homes.
好多華人選擇喺日落區安家，係因為呢度安全，但係唔代表治安犯罪唔會發生。喺6月6號中午12點左右，一名竊賊闖入位於38街嘅吳女士屋企，當時佢同佢媽媽唔喺度，屋企淨係得80幾歲、行動唔方便而且聽力不佳嘅爸爸。盜賊打咗佢爸爸嘅頭，搶走佢身上面嘅80幾蚊現金，並掠走屋企嘅一啲財物。
即使而家個治安咁差，我哋個個咧都要睇下我哋自己個屋企嘅環境，認為有乜嘢需要更改或者安裝嘅，係應該要咁做嘅。因為之前我有睇過，覺得我屋企係好安全，但係其實唔係嘅。
事後吳女士安裝咗攝像頭同埋監控門鈴，佢好後悔冇早啲咁做。除咗預防罪案嘅發生，馬兆明辦公室同埋日落區安全網絡亦都積極為罪案嘅受害者提供幫助。
We were able to follow up with the No family and connect them to different resources that are available.
我有申請嗰啲補助1000蚊，同埋 CYC， 咁都損失啦都即係呢2000蚊，我收咗1000蚊，呢啲錢唔多唔少都有幫助啦因為呢個係冇計劃，即係冇諗到個損失嘅，但係都 OK 嘅。我覺得即係最緊要嘅係屋企人冇事啦
三藩市警察局 Relaunch 分局代理局長 Maura Mengal 則係提醒民眾，竊賊通常尋找有機會落手嘅房屋，佢哋會先撳門鈴，如果冇人應答，就會認為可以進入。
Years have gone on, we always said, okay, we're not going to answer the door. My suggestion is, even though you don't want to answer the door, make some noise. Let them know there's someone in there. Because the majority of the time, they don't want to come in to see you. They just want to come in and get the properties.
免費監控門鈴項目係由安老自助處以及智能家居安全公司 Ring 合作。喺舊年年底推出以嚟，陸續收到市內唔同地區超過1200個申請，單係日落區就有400幾個，遠遠超過200個設備嘅配額。今次日落區擴大服務將會優先嗰啲已經遞交咗申請嘅長者家庭。天下衛視記者郭欣蕊採訪報導。